What is operational risk management? Operational risk management is the process of identifying, understanding, and controlling risks that come from daily business operations. In simple words, operational risk management equals managing risks in daily work. What is operational risk? Operational risk is the risk of loss or problems caused by human mistakes, system failure, process problems, external events. Easy daily life example: if a worker makes a mistake in billing, it is an operational risk. If a computer system crashes, it is an operational risk. Definition in very simple English: operational risk management helps a company avoid losses, reduce mistakes, and run smoothly. Types of operational risk. 1. People risk. This risk comes from human actions. Examples: employee mistakes, lack of training, fraud. Simple sentence: employee error is a people risk. 2. Process risk. This risk comes from weak or broken processes. Examples: poor planning, incorrect procedures, delays. Simple sentence: a slow approval process is a process risk. 3. System risk. This risk comes from technology or systems. Examples: software failure, server crash, data loss. Simple sentence: a system crash is a system risk. 4. External risk. This risk comes from outside the company. Examples: natural disasters, power cuts, cyber attacks. Simple sentence: a power failure is an external risk. Importance of operational risk management. Operational risk management is important because it reduces losses, improves efficiency, protects company reputation, ensures smooth operations, helps in business continuity. Very easy example of importance: if risks are managed properly, the company runs smoothly. If risks are ignored, the company may face losses. Student-friendly sentence: operational risk management helps organizations avoid daily problems. Important point to remember: operational risk management focuses on day-to-day business risks, not market or financial risks. Easy memory tip: operational equals daily work, risk management equals control problems,